Welcome to this tutorial on how to remove the background from a picture online for free. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to remove the background from any image. Let's get started. To remove the background of an image, of course, you can use Photoshop. Go to Adobe and buy a license, or even better, subscribe and pay monthly. Then watch some long, complicated, boring videos. Or get free software like GIMP and Despair.
Sorry, GIMP fanboys out there. I didn't mean to offend you. And while we're at it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
There are many free online tools available. Most of them have in common that the background is removed with the help of some kind of artificial intelligence. Another commonality is that most of them are limited in some way. Adobe limits the image size to 6000 times 6000 pixels, for instance. But don't worry, I will show you how to overcome this in no time. To remove the background of an image, simply upload it by drag and drop to a free online tool. Depending on the website, you may have to wait some time for your order to be processed. Some websites offer paid premium services to speed up the process. Oops, the Firefox browser is obviously not supported. If you ask me, I would recommend Chromium or switch to another online background removal provider. So let's stick with my beloved Firefox and give this one a try. As you have noticed, this one is very slow. Why is that? Come on, step on the gas. By the way, does anyone know the book 1 minute later? This is really ridiculously slow. Cannot recommend this site. I had to speed up the video playback. The whole process took more than 3 minutes. This is a no-go. The image quality looks pretty good. You can download the result in a lower resolution for free. You must log in to download full resolution images. No, I will not pay. I like free stuff better. Now that you've made it this far, let me show you how to do it right. My favorite provider is remove.bg. It is very fast and free. No registration or login required. You can download the result for free, but it is only about 1/3 the size of the original. After downloading the scaled down version, we need to do one more step. Fortunately, there is another free tool that allows you to scale the image back up. This service is pretty self-explanatory. Just drag the image into Firefox, one of the best browsers on planet Earth. The processing of the image should not take too long. Move the mouse pointer over the right image to preview the upscaling result. The preview looks sharp and crisp. You can change the upscale factor. If you want, you can even improve the quality further. The last step is to download the upscaled and enhanced image to your hard drive. If you follow the instructions, you will have 3 images: the original image with background, then the smaller image with background removed, and last but not least the upscaled image with background removed. Note the size and resolution of the images. If everything went well, you got a good quality image with the background removed. In summary, removing the background from an image using free online tools is a breeze. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like the video Post a comment or your favorite joke. See you in the next video.